Ivy and Dollar General is having so many instant offers with all of these cash offs. I want to do a couple of them for you. I have some great ones. So let's get right to the oral care one. Okay, guys, this is our first oral care deal. Now, you see a lot here. The deal that we're going to do is this deal right here. Let me show it to you, because it is an awesome deal and it has an awesome coupon attached to it. So we're going to do the spend 25, save 8 on your next Dollar General purchase. Okay, that's the one that we're going to do. So here, this is what we're going to pick up. You're going to pick up 3 scopes at $4 each, and they are the 500 milliliter. They're $4 each. It's a $2 coupon off one, and then it's a 4 off 2. Then you're going to pick up the one Oral-B 6 count toothbrushes. They are $4. It's a $2 coupon. Then you're going to pick up 2 of the Oral-B floss picks at 75 count at $3.35. It's a $3 off 2 coupon. Now, if you still have this coupon available, go to your dollar aisle. This is $1. It is a $1 coupon attaching to it, plus that spend 25, save 8. Then you're going to pick up 2 Kids Crest Cavity Protection toothpastes at $2 each. It is a $2 off 2 coupon attached to that. Now, of course, we are going to scan everything so that you can see what we're looking at, okay? So let's scan the mouthwash. The mouthwash is $4, and you have a number of coupons. We're going to use that $2 off of one, the spend 25, save 8 on your next purchase, and then we're going to use the save $4 off 2. Do not do this one, okay? Because if you do, it will use that coupon. Now, next we're going to do the Oral-B, which is $4, and it also has a number of coupons, but we're going to look at this $2 coupon off one, and then the spend 25, save 8. Now, next we're going to go to the flosses. There it is. Sometimes, guys, I don't want to pick it up. It's $3.35, and then we have a number of coupons. We're actually using both, that 3 off 2 and the spend 25, save 8. And the reason why I keep expressing the spend 25, save 8, guys, is because if you do not make sure that you get that coupon, it's attaching, your deal will not come out correctly. Then you're going to have the $1 off the Crest Pro Health toothpaste, 2.6 ounce, that you will get off the dollar aisle. And as you can see, both coupons attached. It makes it one completely free, and then you get the $8 off your next purchase. Then we're going to do the 2 Kids Crest toothpastes. Now they're out of the tube, just like this. They're $2. They're out of the box. And there you are. Each coupon attaches, okay? Now let's do the math. It's 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Now that covers 1, 2, 3, 4 products, all 4 of those, okay? Then you're going to do $3.35 for each 4. Then you're going to cover the $3.35 for each floss. Then you're going to do the $1 for the free toothpaste you're going to get, and then you're going to do the $2 for each one of the children's toothpastes, $27.70. Now, let me tell you, you do not have to put on the free toothpaste. If you don't have it, you can always take that away. And if you take that $1 off, it'll leave you at $26.70. Okay, but I want to add mine on, so I'm going to go back to $27.70. First of all, do not take your $8 off, because that $8 is on your next purchase. So do look for that $8 off that purchase. You're going to take your 2 off that toothpaste, and then 2 off your mouthwash, and then the 4 off the mouthwash. Then you're going to take 2 off the toothbrushes. You're going to take 3 off the flosses. You're going to take 1 off that free toothpaste, and then you're going to take 2 off of the 2 children's toothpaste. It's going to leave you at $13.70. Now, once you pay out and you get back your receipt, or look in your wallet or on your coupons, it should be $8 off your next purchase. Take your $8 off. It's going to leave you at $5.70. Divide that by how many products do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 things. Divided by 9. You're going to end up paying 63 cents each, okay? 63 cents. So that is the first deal that you can do with that Oral-B. Let's get to one more instant offer. So next we're going to do a feminine deal, which is another 25, spend 25, get $8 back on your next purchase. Okay, you're going to pick up 4 of the Always Anti-Bunch. They are $5.50. They're $5.50. We're going to scan it. And then 1 Always Liner at $5.50, 72 count. Scan those. So you're going to turn that over. Get it so you can scan it. Good. Remember, we're looking at 2 coupons. So the first one I'm going to scan is this Always Anti-Bunch at $5.50. It's a number of things going on. We have an instant offer. When you buy 2, they make them $10. So remember that. And then you're going to do the save 8, spend 25, save 8 on your next purchase. Then we're going to look at the save $5 off of 3. Okay, now it's one more coupon that says $1.25 off. You're going to scan that small bag of Always, okay, at $5.50. That one, $1.25 will attach, all right? So you have the offer for $2.10 and then these. So what you're going to do is you're going to make sure you take it up to $25. So it's 2 for $10, so you already have an instant. So you're going to do 2 for 10, so do $5.50 times 4. It's going to take you to $22. Plus you're going to do another $5.50, take you to $27.50. So you need to go up to $27 in order to take this back down to 2 for 10. So take off that $2. Now you're at $25.50. Remember, these were 2 for 10 on the instant offer, but because both of those are Dollar General coupons, you need to go over. All right. Now we're at the 2 for 10. You're going to take that $1.25 off that 172 liner. Then you're going to take your $5 off the 3 liner. Okay. Take you to $19.25. Now this is very steep for me, guys. So if I was you guys, if you have any money in your wallet and I have $4.75, I would use that. Okay, I would not pay that expensive price for it. Now, that's what you're going to do. Divide that by 5 products. It's going to take you to $3.85 each. So these will be $3.85, but use your wallet. Now, it was $19.25. Okay, now once you get your $8 back, you'll be paying $11.25 for those 5 products. Divide that by 5 and you'll pay $2.25 each. So $2.25 for these, but use your wallet because you do not want to use that much money. I don't like to pay expensive prices for those. So make sure you use money out of your wallet, guys. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, share this coupon. Count back.